Online classes have been difficult for everybody involved, but teachers and students alike can agree that technical issues are by far the most challenging part of online learning yet. Whether it's forgetting a password or disconnecting during a test, these issues can be a real problem.
Never used it before. And on the first test, Examity didn't work. So for about 20 minutes, people were just sending emails to I guess technically the TA, saying, hey, Examity's not working. And then the TA responded and was like, hey, yeah, sorry guys, we'll update the due date for the test because it was submitted over Canvas. And they did not update the due date over Canvas.
Luckily, JCCC students need not worry, as they currently offer multiple tech support services for email, instant messaging, and call-ins. You can get to most homepages by going through the JCCC website or simply Googling JCCC Tech Support. I spoke with Ed Lovett, the Director of Educational Technology, for further details.
The area that I manage is the Educational Technology Center, and basically we handle faculty technical questions. We support faculty use of Canvas. We also support products like Yuja and Zoom for faculty. And we have a Zoom room, basically that's open from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. So faculty can come in just like what we're doing right now, and they can ask questions. We can do desktop sharing, and we can resolve issues.
Ed also gave some great advice for students that may be struggling with general issues like Canvas and connection.
I would say be patient. Just as we talked about just now, not all faculty are, as technically savvy, with that. Reaching out to the instructor to ask questions to get clarification. Also, kind of doing an inventory of what resources you have. Do you have a strong internet connection? Equipment, we talked about, these things right here. They do a good job of maybe monitoring a class and checking on the status of things, but I would not be taking an exam on this thing, okay? I probably would try to find maybe a laptop or, a place that I have a robust internet connection to do some of those high stakes exams. I would not be going down the road and trying to do something like that.
Not only that, but JCCC offers much more assistance than just the generic tech support hotline. They offer faculty assistance, computer resources, and study spaces to accommodate for students that might not have them, collab tech tutoring for students that aren't as technically inclined, and much more. JCCC even offers Canvas tutorials for students and teenagers that might not fully understand it. The biggest problem almost any online classroom faces can be solved pretty easily thanks to JCCC's robust tech support system. They've made these confusing times a little more understandable. Next time you've got a tech problem and it seems unsolvable, give any of the tech support branches a call and I'm sure they'd be happy to help. Reporting for the Campus Ledger, I'm Leo Fotovich.